Now, this looks like a lot of area to use this 4-inch scraper, but most of this has already been scraped with that 8-inch scraper. Now, I have done an entire area like this with just a 4-inch scraper blade. It just takes you a lot longer to do that, and you're going to go through more blades. And I had quite a few rooms. I actually had this room and one that was about 2.5, 3 times as large as this, the main room, and the hallway to do. So that's why I went and purchased that long scraper, and that helped me out considerably. Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly go over this floor, whatever I feel, especially in the areas where it's a little darker, and I can kind of see that. I've got my construction light here in the background, and that's going to help me. Anytime you get light on your floor is a good thing. If you feel like your blade's not working very well, flip it over and go some more. And then I just move my knee pad up and I just keep on trucking. There's only going to be so much you can take off. Okay? And I just changed the blade so I know whatever I can't get, I'm not going to sit there forever working on it. I'm going to get as much as I can and move on. Even though this is a 4-inch blade, I don't necessarily have to try to take 4 inches off at a time. Sometimes you may not get it much unless you just use the edge. Cut off 1 inch at a time or 1/2 inch at a time or whatever. In stubborn areas, sometimes depending how your glue is, you can take off a whole swatch of it 4 inches wide. Other times, you got to work at it a little bit more. So even though this is dark here, most of the top layer of glue has already come off. Just cleaning up what the other 8-inch blade missed. I'm remembering where I'm going, and I'll have to keep track of where I am because I've done this much all the way down, and then I'll do the next bit and the next bit and over there. Last thing I want to do is go over something twice. Because I don't really need to, do I? Once I get up to the edge of the wall, you know, I might want to do all that at one go. In case I hit a nail or something. I especially don't want to do that with a sharp blade. Or a bit of concrete that has been pulled up from the tack strip, and then you hit an area that has already been pulled up. You hit the edge of that, and you snap off the edge. I'm going to keep working at this, even up next to the base, because I know whatever I can get off now, the better. If you take little pieces off, you'll see that you can get a little bit more. I've got a whole entire edge along here that looks like I can get up. Right up in here. Now, if you remember, the reason why I'm taking this off is because I have to clean off the excess of this, because I want to stain this floor and I want to seal it. That's the whole reason why I'm taking this up. Okay? Because when I get done with that, I want it to look like this. Doesn't that look nice? That's the rest of the floor that I've already cleaned. I didn't do this section here because there was a sauna over here and the carpet, and I left that. I got this side. I did as much as I could there because I did that. I also did a hallway here. That hallway's already been done. It looks the same. And this big room out here. I've already taken it all out. I cleaned it. And that's the excess. I didn't even put any stain on it. That's just the residue after I get this off. Yeah, you keep watching my videos and you've probably already seen that part on a video before. But I might post a couple other videos so I title them differently and stuff. If you see the same type of video, I'm just basically repeating the same thing, but yet if you watch the videos that I do, that you might be something that you're just going to use for an update, or just the second time you hear it, you just pick up a couple things that you didn't hear the first time, let's say. So if you've already watched something and you're watching another video, just remember that and think, what can I get out of this particular video? You might only get 15 seconds out of a 5-minute video that could really help you and open your eyes and have a light bulb aha moment. Oh, that's what I was missing. That's what Joe meant. Okay, I get it now. I'm glad I watched this particular video. You know, stuff like that. So do yourself a favor and continue watching my videos.
Fun.
Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.